Spring is on its way. Nothing's gonna stop it. It's beautiful out here today, and I can't wait for there to be stacked up days or weeks of this. Trying to be loud enough for this. Everything's always quiet. I'm quiet, whatever. Today we're gonna do a koala block print. I've never done a koala before. I've never even drawn a koala. I have no idea how these things were off my radar, because when I Googled them, they're so cute, I almost started crying. They're beautiful little animals. So, I can't edit out that freeway noise. There was some dude cutting down a tree earlier, and then leaf blowing, and there's so much noise, it's amazing. It's amazing how much noise there is around here. You just don't notice it. So anyway, noise pollution's a thing, right? So that's that, man. Take a deep breath. It's amazing to be alive. Oh, it's just filled with gratitude. So, rad, inspirational posters or whatever. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna do this koala block print, and he's gonna be drinking some delicious coffee, just like most of my little animals are, because hey, life imitates art, or art imitates life. I don't know, one of the two. We're all in a matrix anyway, so it doesn't matter. It's a simulation theory. So here we go. We're gonna go make a block print, and it's gonna be fun. I'm transferring the koala from the drawing onto the block. I've always just done it this way, where I draw it out on a piece of parchment paper or tracing paper, and then flip it over and then retrace the back so it transfers onto the block, because everything's going to print opposite. Then I go over the pencil with a little bit of Sharpie, because once you start cutting, that pencil is going to go everywhere, so this is just to make a little bit more permanent marks. Our linoleum knives, cutters, I don't know what they are, carving tools? Carving tools, that's what they are. We're going to start cutting into the safety cut. This is a thick rubber. It's less slippery than linoleum, so it's a little safer to use. Every person that I know that's done a block print with linoleum has a story of the blade slipping and them stabbing themselves in the hand. I have that story. Believe me, it's common. The safety cut, it's squishier, it's less slippery, it's a lot easier to use. You don't get as fine of lines, but hey, we'll take it. And we get our ink. Roll it out and saturate that block. Let's do a test print. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I got my little brayer, which is just a paint bottle. So here we go. Test print 1. It's pretty good, but there's some areas that I want to fix up. So going from the test print, you can just see which areas you want to work on. It's kind of just editing it. I had some sharp lines in the top of this coffee cup. See right here along the print. So you just use your print as basically the guide. I want these sunbeams coming off of his head to be a little bit more radiant. So let's just put in some more. And on to the reprint. Beautiful. And there's our finished product. So I'm going to print a bunch more of these and then do a little bit of cleanup. Super easy with water-based inks. Awesome, we're squeaky clean. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I love you and have fun.